Investing in the future is not just about securing financial returns. It's about making choices that align with our values and contribute to a better world. Welcome to our guide on ethical stocks and bonds, where we'll explore how your investments can reflect your principles and foster positive change in society. In recent years, ethical investing has gained significant traction as more individuals and institutions recognize the power and responsibility that come with their capital. At its core, ethical investing aims to align financial strategies with moral and social concerns, guiding us toward companies and projects that adhere to our ethical standards. But how do we distinguish ethical stocks and bonds from the rest? To begin with, ethical investing often revolves around three main criteria: environmental, social, and governance factors. Collectively known as ESG, these factors help investors assess how companies perform as stewards of nature, how they manage relationships with employees, suppliers, customers, and the communities where they operate, and how their leadership and board comply with regulatory standards. For instance, environmental criteria consider how a company impacts the natural environment, looking at issues like carbon footprint, natural resource conservation, and pollution. Social criteria examine a company's business relationships, focusing on ensuring the well-being of workers and communities, while governance criteria deal with a company's leadership, audits, and shareholder rights. To practically invest in ethical stocks, investors often turn to ESG-focused funds. These funds specifically target companies that perform well on ESG criteria, providing a diverse portfolio. That symbolizes a commitment to ethical principles. Within this realm, consider companies pioneering in a renewable energy technology, those advocating for fair trade, or firms excelling in employee rights. Each represents a slice of the ethical investing landscape, promising not only financial growth, but also societal progress. Bonds also play a significant role in ethical investing. Green bonds, for instance, are structured to fund projects with environmental benefits, such as clean transportation, sustainable water management, or renewable energy infrastructure. By investing in these, you can directly support projects that aim to reduce our carbon impact and foster environmental sustainability. Social bonds, on the other hand, are designed to fund projects that focus on generating positive social outcomes. These might include affordable housing or community-driven development initiatives. Investing in such bonds allows investors to support causes that align with their social justice or community empowerment values. It's worth noting, however, that ethical investing does require diligent research and awareness. Not all claims of sustainability or ethical intentions are genuine. This phenomenon, known as greenwashing, involves companies exaggerating or fabricating their environmental efforts to attract investors. Thus, critical analysis and consulting credible ESG ratings or independent evaluators are essential steps in ensuring your investments truly support ethical endeavors. Investing ethically can also mean engaging with companies to drive change from within. Shareholder activism is a strategy where investors use their rights as shareholders to influence a company's behavior, advocating for policy changes that can positively impact society and the environment. By maintaining ownership rights, investors can propose resolutions, vote on company policies, and engage in dialogue with corporate leaders to push for necessary changes. It's imperative, to remember that ethical investing doesn't compromise on financial returns. On the contrary, companies with high ESG scores often demonstrate greater operational efficiencies, lower risk profiles, and better long-term prospects, making them solid investments. The growing body of evidence suggests that aligning investments with ethical values can indeed generate competitive returns while contributing to societal and environmental betterment. As we draw this exploration to a close, the journey toward investing ethically is not just a matter of financial strategy, but a commitment to fostering a world that mirrors our best ideals. By choosing ethical stocks and bonds, you choose to invest in a future where prosperity meets purpose, where profit is not at the expense of people or the planet. Reflect on your values and consider how they can be reflected in your investment decisions. In doing so, you not only contribute to your financial well-being, but also become a steward of positive change, paving the way for a more ethical and sustainable world. Thank you for joining us on this journey to understand and embrace ethical investing. Remember, every investment is a vote for the kind of world we want to create. Let's invest wisely, invest ethically, and make a difference that counts for generations to come.